If your funds were recently moved out of your crypto wallet without your permission, this might be why. So, security researchers were recently investigating a wallet drain incident and quickly found the root cause. That root cause is that some crypto wallets are generating weak recovery phrases or seed phrases. To be clear, it only affects a limited set of wallets and addresses that were generated under specific conditions. So, what are these conditions? How do you know if your wallet is affected? And what should you do moving forward to keep your crypto safe? Well, that's what I want to break down in this video. First off, how could this even happen? What were the conditions? Well, it all comes down to how wallet seed phrases are generated. Crypto wallets generally create seed phrases using something called a true random number generator, or a TRNG, or a pseudo random number generator, also known as a PRNG. Now, there's a big difference between these two seed phrase generation methods. A TRNG uses physical environmental noise to help generate a completely random and unique seed phrase, whereas a PRNG actually relies solely on digital mathematical algorithms. But because the TRNG is a physical element, um, it's considered more secure because you're comparing mathematical equations to you know physical noise and things that are being used to produce a completely random key. And so the physical one is more secure. Um, because it's impossible to reproduce. To be fair, though, both can be secure, but this specific vulnerability was found in wallets that use PRNG to create the seed phrase. And there have been popular wallets that have had this vulnerability before as well. And one of them is Trust Wallet. Um, I think it was Ledger back in 2023 actually discovered that the Trust Wallet browser extension had a similar vulnerability that was discovered recently. Um, and basically it was the Trust Wallet was generating a weak seed phrase. Of course, it's since been fixed when it comes to Trust Wallet, but that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. And since this vulnerability affects the entire seed phrase, which is the master key to all of our crypto, all cryptocurrencies would be affected and your entire wallet would be at risk if you had generated a seed phrase using one of these weaker wallets. Because if a hacker can guess your seed phrase, and obviously they can access your entire wallet. Now, if you're wondering which wallets are affected, we don't have a definitive list yet because this is still so new. CoinSpect, who's the security company that discovered this uh, around the end of May, I believe, they're taking the proper steps to ensure that everything is reported responsibly. That said, CoinSpec did point out that it seems like hot wallets or software wallets are the main ones having uh, at risk of having generated a weak seed phrase, whereas hardware wallets are unaffected. Go figure, right? That's because most hardware wallets, though, use either a TRNG, which again is a true random number generator, or a cryptographically secure pseudo random number generator, which is also known as a CSPRNG, both of which use external environmental noise to generate seed phrases. Whereas some hot wallet apps, probably the less known hot wallet apps, rely solely on the PRNG, which again use a mathematic algorithm, which is technically less secure. So CoinSpect did release a tool that you can use to check if your wallet's seed phrase is weak, basically, if it's affected by this vulnerability. But I want to warn you, just because this tool tells you your wallet isn't affected doesn't mean it's not affected. And again, this doesn't seem to be like a huge widespread issue at this point. It's still kind of under investigation. They're still finding addresses that are generated by weak seed phrases and by weak wallets, but it can at least give you a little peace of mind. So I am going to show you how to use this tool to check your wallet. I already checked some of my own wallet addresses, some of which were more than 6 years old, and they're all good according to the tool. Um, Actually, let me check here. Yes, let's see. Okay, interesting. But just want to make sure I still have the tool pulled up. Uh, But yeah, it only affected a limited number of wallet addresses. Um, but and I'm going to show you what that tool is and how to use it. But I think the key takeaway, regardless of what you find using that tool, is that using a reputable hardware wallet to generate your seed phrase and store them is more crucial now than ever. AI is already exposing lots of vulnerabilities, and it's only going to get worse. There, there are two cold wallets that I really recommend. One of which uses a TRNG, the other one uses a TRNG and a CPRNG uh, to generate the seed phrase. So the first one is Ledger. All their wallets use a true random number generator to create a one of a kind seed phrase. Right now, they are offering our community a community specific discount and promo. You could basically get $20 to $40 in free Bitcoin, plus you get 10% off your wallet, which is pretty cool because Ledger rarely does discounts. And the even cooler thing is this applies to their colored wallets. So usually when they do a sale, they do it just on the normal wallets. Right now, you can get a Ledger wallet and free Bitcoin and a 10% discount using our community link down in the description. And to get that additional 10% off, there's also a discount code down in the description that you'll want to apply. Um, so yeah, again, this deal is only exclusive to our channel. It's not available if you just go to ledger.com. You're not going to see it. It is only available to us. Now, the other wallet I recommend, of course, is Tangem. So Tangem actually uses two methods to generate seed phrases or the master key. So if you choose to set up Tangem as a seedless wallet without a seed phrase, it still generates a master key. It generates that master key using the TRNG that's inside of the secure chip, which is what you want. Um, but if you set it up with a seed phrase, it's actually generated locally on your phone using a CPRNG, which also it still uses external noise to help generate the seed phrase. So both options are great. Both options are what you want because that's what's going to create a completely random, unique seed phrase versus these other wallets, certain wallets that we don't know of yet that are using just a PRNG. And Tangem's also offering our community up to $20 in free Bitcoin and 20% off using the link in the description. That said, I want to show you how to check your wallet addresses using this tool that CoinSpec put out, which I also linked down below in the description. It's at the very bottom of the description if you want to jump to that. So let me jump over. Let me share my screen and I'll show you exactly how this tool works. Okay. All right, here we are. So this is a tool that they got. All you have to do to use this tool, and if you want to use it, that's up to you. If you don't want to use it, that's fine, right? Again, this isn't a guaranteed way to check, but it is a way to check from what they have found or if your wallet's affected. But basically, the only thing you need to enter is your wallet's receiving address. This is already public information, so it's not like you're sharing anything that's not already out there. But I do have an example. This is one of my Ethereum addresses. And so you just paste your address in there. Again, this affects more than one blockchain. This is across various blockchains, but you just paste your address, you press the check address button, and it'll give you a message back. It says, for my address, this address is not in the current EVM data set. This does not mean the seed phrase is safe. See the FAQ. If you have had unexplained movements of funds, you can still use a fund or the form to help us identify a vulnerable wallet app. Um, but this does give me a little bit of peace of mind that at least this address, from what they found so far, this address is not in that list of affected addresses or wallets that may have generated a weak seed phrase. Anyways, there's not a definitive list of wallets. Basically, if you're using a hardware wallet, you're doing everything correct. If you're using a hot wallet, um, most of the popular hot wallets, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, probably Cake Wallet, maybe those are likely to be unaffected by this. I would doubt those are the wallets. But the reason that CoinSpect hasn't released a list of wallets that are affected by this weak seed phrase is because they have to do this stuff responsibly. Anytime a company finds a vulnerability, um, a security vulnerability, there is a certain ladder that you go through to report vulnerabilities responsibly. Because if CoinSpec just came out and be like, with a big list of wallets and they're like, all these wallets have this vulnerability. Then the hackers would be like, oh, okay, fair game, right? So they have to do it responsibly. They have to go and report these vulnerabilities to each individual company, give them time to fix it. Um, they'll set like a date or a time. You've got a month or 2 months, and then after that, they will release the full report. But as of right now, we don't know specifically which hot wallets are affected. But from their research, if you use a hardware wallet to generate your seed phrase and you are continuing to use that hardware wallet, you're safe. It's literally what I've been talking about for years. Hot wallets are always going to be more vulnerable to different types of attacks and vulnerabilities compared to a hardware wallet because a hardware wallet stores your keys offline, right? That's what makes them secure. And they use a different type of seed phrase generator than software. To be fair, some hot wallets use, better seed phrase. Obviously, like MetaMask. Again, just because you use a MetaMask wallet doesn't mean that your seed phrase is at risk. These are, according to CoinSpect, they're lesser known wallets. So maybe they're just, they're probably the wallets that are at the bottom of the app store when you type in crypto wallet on your phone and you scroll and you scroll. Maybe it's some of those wallets, I don't know. But I think the most important thing, especially moving forward, is to make sure you're generating your seed phrases using a reputable hardware wallet.